How to generate traffic using an email newsletter. The answer to how to generate traffic using an email newsletter begins with a list of email subscribers. This list can be made up of customers or prospective customers. Both of these lists should be kept separate, but combined for the purpose of a newsletter. An email newsletter can generate the highest quality traffic that any website can experience. This is true because those people who have subscribed to your email have opted in by making a purchase from your site, or through some other means have opted in because they're interested in your website's products and content. Whether through an advertisement or simply signing up for a newsletter after visiting your site, these people are the best candidates to buy from your website. The first group of people are your customer base and are the lifeblood of any business. Repeat customers are an important percentage of sales and should be given special treatment. The second group of people are also important as they are prospective customers and may be making a purchase in the future. These are the customers who will replace older customers that drop off over time. They are also the future of your business expansion. Once these people have opted into the newsletter, it's important to entice them to make their first purchase with specials such as sales and coupon codes, or perhaps a free giveaway. The people who read your email newsletter and go to your website represent the traffic that will have the highest percentage of conversions into sales. Your list will become the most important of your business, and over time you'll come to understand that the list is everything for online business. Getting quality names for your newsletter is the ultimate goal because it will result in expanding your customer base and creating a successful online business.